This video is going to be very interesting. Why? Because in this video, I will be telling you how to buy the daddy coin of Andrew Tate. He has mentioned that we need to buy the daddy coin as soon as possible to see real profits in crypto. Daddy coin is owned all by Andrew Tate, and you can see this is the daddy coin we are talking about. I know it is very complex to buy the daddy coin because daddy coin is not a normal coin like Bitcoin or Ethereum, which you can just go and buy on any crypto exchange platform. You need to buy the daddy coin on a decentralized crypto chain platform, and I'm going to tell you exactly how you are going to do that. The process is not going to be simple, I agree, but if you follow my video step by step and you listen to me very carefully, then I guarantee you will be able to buy the daddy coin very easily at the end of this video. So let's start. So the screen you are seeing right now is Dex Screener. Now Dex Screener is basically a platform which shows the trading volume for different coins, including centralized and decentralized tokens. So the method I'm about to show you on how to buy the daddy coin is the same method which is told by the real world themselves. I have learned by them, and now I'm trying to teach to you in a more efficient and easier way. So guys, the very first thing you need is gonna be the Phantom wallet. Now, as you can see right here, this is the Phantom wallet. As you can see, I have some balance here. Now, how you can get some crypto, I will tell you now. But first of all, you need to get the Phantom wallet. Now, to get the Phantom wallet, so you have to go to Google and you have to type Phantom wallet. Now, Phantom wallet can be installed on your phone with an app, or you can install it directly in your Chrome as an extension. I am using it as an extension in my Chrome, so that works for me. Whatever works for you, you can go for that. So after you have installed the Phantom wallet, what you have to do is you have to buy the crypto, or you have to send the crypto from any of your crypto exchange platform like Binance to the Phantom wallet account. Now I know it might sound a little bit overwhelming, but you don't have to worry. Just listen to what I'm saying very carefully. Either you can buy the crypto directly inside the Phantom wallet, or you can send the crypto from Binance or Coinbase or any other crypto exchange platform which you have access to send the crypto directly to your Phantom wallet. Whenever I say crypto, I refer to Solana. So please buy Solana or send Solana only and not any other crypto. If you're sending it from any other crypto exchange platform, then what you can do is you can buy any coin, let's say Bitcoin or USDT, and then you can convert it to Solana and then transfer it to your Phantom wallet. As you can see here, you can see there are options to receive the crypto, send the crypto, swap the crypto, and buy the crypto. These are the options you get inside the Phantom wallet. Now I got this balance by transferring from my Binance account. So as you can see, I sent the Solana to the Phantom wallet, and it took about 1 or 2 minutes to show into my Phantom wallet. So it doesn't take a lot of time. It's just a matter of minutes. You will see the crypto once you send it to your Phantom wallet. Now to send Solana coin to your Phantom wallet, what you have to do is select Solana here, and you can see there is an option to receive the Solana. I will click on receive, and you will see there is a QR code and there is a address to copy. Just click on copy and go to your Binance or Coinbase or any other crypto platform which you are using to send the Solana, and just enter this or paste this address, and you will see it has automatically selected the network which will be using. Now here you have to just enter the amount, and after entering the amount, you can see the network fee will be 0.01 Solana. So that will be deducted when you will transfer the money, and you just have to enter the amount you have, and after sending, just wait for 2 to 3 minutes and you will see the Solana in the Phantom wallet. Now if you cannot send from any crypto exchange platform to Phantom wallet due to any reason, then you can just directly go and buy the crypto inside the Phantom wallet. As you can see, there is an option to buy, and I'm going to click on Solana because we need Solana. Now guys, there is a threshold that you need to buy at least $30 of Solana at one time. So let's say if you are going to buy $50 of Solana, you have to click on next, And here you can see it gives you two options to pay, with MoonPay or with Coinbase. Now I think MoonPay will work for most of the people. I have not bought from Phantom Wallet, so I cannot tell you with surety, because I have used Binance to transfer the crypto to my Phantom Wallet. So I cannot say if it will work for you surely or not, but this MoonPay method works for most of the people. So all you have to do is click on MoonPay, and after you click on it, you can see a pop-up comes up. You just have to fill up the details like the billing address, your card number, and etc. Whatever it asks you for, it will ask you for your billing information. And after you do the billing information, you will buy the crypto and it will start showing inside the Phantom wallet. So this was the very first step. I know this is the lengthiest step which you have to do, because once you have the crypto inside your Phantom wallet, the next things are quite easy. Now, Solana is not our end goal, right? Our end goal is getting Daddy coin. How are we going to get? Now, for that, we need one more platform, which is Radium. It is radium.io. Now, how are you going to access to radium.io? It is pretty simple. You can go to this website by the real world or Andrew Tate, which is daddysuniversity.com. This is the real website Andrew Tate revealed for Daddy coin. And here you can click on Radium. You can see all the links you need are provided here, right? So you have to click on Radium. Once you click on Radium, it will ask you to connect your Phantom wallet. Now, as you can see, mine is already connected, so I don't have to do that again. But you have to connect the Phantom wallet with the Radium.io platform. It will just give you a button here which says connect to wallet. Now make sure before connecting to Radium.io platform, you need to have some balance inside the Phantom account. It is recommended to have at least 0.05 Solana inside your Phantom account, because if you have below 0.05 Solana, then this whole method will not work. It needs to have at least 0.05 Solana. So if you go below that, you cannot buy, as it will also include the transaction fees which you have to pay while converting from Solana to Daddy. So after you have connected the wallet, the Phantom wallet with the Radium platform, now the magic starts. Now what you have to do is select the from token as Solana and to token as Daddy. As you can see, it is already selected for me, and most probably it will be selected for you as well. If not, then you can just select here. If in case the coin here does not show Daddy, then what you have to do is you can go and search for Daddy token like this, or if you're not sure that the token you are seeing is the exact token which we need, then you can just go back to Dex Scanner, and if you scroll down a little bit, you can see here it says Daddy, and then you can see there is a address. You just need to copy it, and when you come back here, you just have to click on this and you have to paste. And as you can see, the Daddy token comes up. So you can just simply paste this address. If you are not sure that you are buying the real token or not, then you can just copy and paste this address. But for me, I know this is the Daddy coin. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to select max here, because I want to convert all of my Solana to Daddy. And you can see there is an option which says swap. Now, one thing I need you to do before buying or swapping the token is that you have to click here. It might say 0.5% for you, but you have to change it to custom and you have to enter 5 or 10% here. Why? Because basically slippage is that price difference which will be occurred in the moment when we buy the token. Now, because many people are buying and selling Daddy token, the fluctuations are very high, due to which your transaction will be a failure if you set the slippage tolerance to be 0.5. So you need to set it as 5%. So that means basically the price you are paying for Daddy coin can change by 5% and not more than that. So you have to do it 5 or 10%. After you do that, you have to click on save. And as you can see, you will have a dashboard like this, same as mine. You will have your wallet here connected. You will have the slippage as 5%. As you can see, I have selected the max token. I will be getting 1065 Daddy coins for my Solana. So everything looks good here. I will just click on swap and it says transaction initiating. I will just go here and you can see there's a pop-up. I have to just confirm it. And as you can see, we have a pop-up at the below which says swap confirm. That's it. Now let me just go and show you my Phantom wallet. We will be having Daddy coins. So here we go. As you can see, we have Daddy coin, and interestingly, when I bought this Daddy coin, right, you can see we have some profit too, because the price is fluctuating, right? So of course this is not a pure profit. As you can see, it is changing. It might go up, it might go down, but the thing is, Daddy coin is really working. As you can see, we have successfully bought the Daddy coin in our Phantom wallet. Now you can hold this Daddy coin for the next bull run, or expect Andrew Tate to pump more money inside this coin to get more profits. Or Andrew has declared that he will also make this token stakeable. Now what is stakeable tokens? That is a different topic, but if that happens, I will create another video for you guys so you can understand better, and hopefully Andrew will pump more money inside this coin. So yeah guys, that was pretty much it for this video. I hope you got some value from this video, and if this video helped you buying the Daddy coin, then do drop a like, subscribe to the channel, and also drop a comment. The method I showed you is the exact method which is shown on the main Daddy University website. I just tried to explain it more efficiently to you guys so that you can understand better. So yeah guys, that is pretty much it for this video. I will see you in the next one. Till then, take care, bye bye, and thank you for watching.
A car pulls up, who can it be? A fresh Rolls Royce with a real OG. He rolled down his window and he started to say,
you need a Shopify mentor to up your game. Cause the store's on the web, but what we make, we keep running the maths, we keep killing the game. Knowing nothing in life but the way to get paid. You could quote me, boy, here's the link to my